Tangible acupuncture means that our patients tangibly feel that manipulation. Please remember the needle is simply an extension of the hand, the way a sword is an extension of the hand. Thus, skilled manipulation of the sword for the warrior or the needle for the healer comes from having skill in the hands, not having a fancier sword or a fancier needle. Having a better quality sword helps, but the skill of using it is in the person, not the object. So the first part of our three-part of the second part is the patient needs to feel the sensation we're trying to create when they create it. And if they don't, we need to change something until they do or until we give up. That is to say, they can tangibly describe the sensations with words that we are attempting to accomplish. This means that it's not simply the patient feels a sensation, but specifically feels the sensation we have predicted and we want to create. And then we implemented a Dalian or methodology we believed would create it, which was then confirmed or not by the patient subjectively as an experiencing of tangible sensation in their body that is identifiable by language. Thus, the patient saying, I feel warmth in the abdomen, or I feel a filling up of my lower legs, or to my toes would be correct in tangible acupuncture, but I definitely feel different would not be correct. Because it's too non-specific for what we're trying to do. Here, once we've done the qi, there are a core group of post-de qi sensations the practitioner can reliably create, and the patient can reliably experience during treatment as a result of the methodologies, the needling skills used by the practitioner. And the first three most foundational skills that must be tangible to the patient are a warming sensation in specific areas and or overall as predicted by the practitioner. Now, if I'm trying to get the abdomen to go warm and the whole foot goes warm, I'll take it. But it's not what I was going for, and therefore I don't get to pat myself on the back. A cooling sensation in specific areas and or overall as predicted by the practitioner. And a traveling sensation in specific pathways or seen as a general raising or lowering in the body as predicted by the practitioner before it happens. I don't consider it very scrupulous for me to demonstrate and not say what I'm trying to do. And then the patient has a response and I say, you see, that's what you do to get that sensation. That's not scrupulous. I mean, all of us can stick a needle in and do something and something's going to happen and then take credit for it. What's hard is saying, I'm going to do this now. And then they go, no. Or not. They do feel it, right? That's the hard part, is being able to or willing to go out on that limb because you have a skill set that allows you to think you're really going to do this. So the next skill set of tangible sensations created by the practitioner and felt by the patient subjectively, right? I don't believe that it should be measured by infrared or something else like that. I want the patient to experience something. Whether or not their body temperature goes up or goes down doesn't interest me at all.